Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Talia and I will be your teacher today. Through this advanced training series, you'll unlock the full potential of Curveseries, empowering you to perform even more insightful and effective data analysis. In this video, you will be introduced on how to use the move functions in Curveseries, specifically %move and value move, to track movements in your data series and analyze changes more effectively. Curveseries is created by traders for traders. These functions help you measure both relative and absolute changes over time, making them ideal for tracking price shifts. Let's begin by opening Excel and launching the Curveseries add-in. For this example, we'll work with R92 curves. Click on Download Curve, then either browse through the yellow folders, or use the search box to locate R92 swaps. Once selected, click Save to confirm, and then hit Refresh Download to load the data into your worksheet. To analyze the value movement of the R92 curve, click back on the Curves cell before selecting Download Curve. Duplicate the ticker by clicking Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Next, right-click on the duplicated ticker and choose Edit Equation. Place your cursor at the beginning of the equation. On the left side of the screen, navigate to the Functions tab and open the Move folder. You'll find various functions here, each with definitions and examples. On the right side, insert the value move function by either double-clicking on it or manually typing value_move and an open bracket, and ensure you close the function with a close bracket. This part is important for the function to work properly. Inside the parentheses, just add a comma followed by 1. Click Save and refresh the download to apply the function. You've now completed a value movement calculation for the curve. This tells the system to calculate the difference between today's and yesterday's forward curve. Next, let's apply the %move function using historical data. Start by clicking on Download Series, then choose your data from the yellow folders on the left panel or run a query using the right panel. In this case, we'll use the spread query to analyze MOPJ Naphtha Swaps Month 1. Fill in the form to generate the continuous Month 1 equation, then click Save and refresh Download to load the data. To apply the %move function, return to the Series cell before selecting Download Series. Duplicate the equation by using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V, and right-click on the newly copied equation to select Edit Equation. Once again, place your cursor at the beginning of the formula. From the Functions tab, open the Move folder and select the %move function, either by double-clicking it or typing it manually. Add an open bracket, and inside the parentheses, specify the range for the movement calculation. For instance, if you want to observe the percentage movement over the past day, just type in -1, 0, then close the bracket. Click Save and refresh Download. This calculates the percentage change from 1 day ago to today. The system will instantly generate the percentage move for your time series data, providing powerful insights at your fingertips. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Did you know that you can also make use of heat maps to instantly spot market trends and price shocks? If not, check out more of our advanced tutorials here at the Curveseries Academy. We are always here to assist you. We wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.